Hello student. Welcome here. Today you will going to learn about Gagne's 9 events of instruction. Please pay attention for the video. Gagne's 9 events of instruction are: gain attention, inform learners of objectives, stimulate recall of prior learning, present the content, provide learning guidance, elicit performance, practice, provide feedback, assess performance and enhance retention and transfer to the job. The first step is to gain attention. Obtain students' attention so that they will watch and listen while the instructor presents the learning content. Examples of how an instructor may apply the 9 events of instruction in the development and instruction of a course: utilize icebreaker activities, current news and events, case studies, YouTube videos, and so on. Utilize technologies such as clickers and surveys to ask leading questions prior to lecture, survey opinion, or gain a response to a controversial question. Show brief picture slideshows using Flickr, videos using YouTube, or excerpts from podcasts and videocasts that are evocative or will grab student attention. In online and hybrid courses, use the discussion board for current news and events, to discuss a controversial topic, or to comment on media. The second step is inform learners of objectives. Allow students to organize their thoughts regarding what they are about to see, hear, and/or do. Examples of how an instructor may apply the 9 events of instruction in the development and instruction of a course include learning objectives, lecture slides, the syllabus, and instructions for activities, projects, papers, and so on. In online and hybrid courses, include learning objectives in introductory course materials, module pages, lecture slides, and the syllabus, as well as in instructions for activities, projects, papers, and so on. The third step is stimulate recall of prior learning. Allow students to build on previous knowledge or skills. Examples of how an instructor may apply the 9 events of instruction in the development and instruction of a course: recall events from previous lecture, integrate results of activities into the current topic, and/or relate previous information to the current topic. Give surveys eliciting opinions, attitudes, or perceptions of previous materials. Moderate discussions about the poll results. In online and hybrid courses, provide discussion board forums as part of gaining attention with a focus on relating the previous topic to the current topic. The fourth step is present the content. Utilize a variety of methods including lecture, readings, activities, projects, multimedia, and others. Examples of how an instructor may apply the 9 events of instruction in the development and instruction of a course: present or post content via a learning management system to allow students to access the materials outside of course meeting times. In face-to-face courses, integrate the use of clickers to keep student attention during content presentation. In online and hybrid courses, the instructor can integrate the use of discussion boards, wikis, blogs, media site, YouTube, podcasts, and other tools. The fifth step is provide learning guidance. Provide students with instructions on how to learn, such as guided activities. With learning guidance, the rate of learning increases because students are less likely to lose time or become frustrated by basing performance on incorrect facts or poorly understood concepts. Example of how an instructor may apply the 9 events of instruction in the development and instruction of a course: include detailed information such as rubrics for projects and activities. Provide expectations, instructions, and timelines. In online and hybrid courses, create activities within the learning management system to allow for greater collaboration amongst students and interaction with the content. The sixth step is elicit performance, practice. Allow students to apply knowledge and skills learned. Example of how an instructor may apply the 9 events of instruction in the development and instruction of a course: Allow students to apply knowledge in group or individual projects and activities, written assignments, lab practicals, and so on. The 7th step is provide feedback. Allow students to receive feedback on individualized tasks, thereby correcting isolated problems rather than having little idea of where problems and inconsistencies in learning are occurring. Examples of how an instructor may apply the 9 events of instruction in the development and instruction of a course: provide detailed feedback on assignments showing students what was done correctly, what must be improved, and include explanations. Utilize rubrics when possible. Give formative, practice, feedback as well as on assessments. Utilize tools such as Turnitin or Microsoft Change Tracking to quickly give feedback to large audiences. Provide feedback to discussion. Utilize peer evaluation and self-evaluation or self-assessment methods. The 8th step is assess performance. Allow students to see content areas that they have not mastered. Examples of how an instructor may apply the 9 events of instruction in the development and instruction of a course. Utilize a variety of assessment methods including exams, quizzes, written assignments, projects, and so on. Utilize rubrics when grading activities that are not standard exam and quiz questions. The 9th step is enhance retention and transfer to the job. Allow students to apply information to personal contexts. This increases retention by personalizing information. Examples of how an instructor may apply the 9 events of instruction in the development and instruction of a course: provide opportunities for students to relate coursework to their personal experiences when designing essays and projects. Provide opportunities for discussion in small groups or using a discussion board. Thank you for watching this video.